It's a 3 versus 3 debate on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Now let's divide it, both sides. For the bill, Teesta Setalwad. Against the bill, Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP. For the bill, Kamal Farooqi, member of the Muslim Personal Law Board and of the Samajwadi Party. Against the bill is Sudhindra Kulkarni, author, columnist, formerly with the BJP. For the bill is Randeep Singh Surjewala, BJP spokesperson and leader. And against the bill, my first question is to Ved Pratap Vaidik. He's a political analyst, leans to the right. Now, Ved Pratap Vaidik, what principally, if you can articulate it very quickly, and then we'll go for and against, what principally is your opposition to the communal violence bill? I thought after Muzaffarnagar, after seeing the kind of riots that happened in Uttar Pradesh, everyone, including you, would have felt this was the right time to bring in a bill which would act as a major curb on communal violence.
Well, such bills are not a guarantee to stop the communal violence. In fact, bills of this kind will perpetuate communal violence much more than what we see today, because violence, whether I commit or you commit, is the same. This bill presumes that only the majority commits violence and minority has to be protected, while I believe violence can be committed by anybody, majority or minority. The law should act as a universal kind of phenomenon. It should not be based on a bias or a presumption which has no basis. So this law is turning the law itself on its head. It's a mockery of the law.
Teesta Setalwad.
The citizens of...
Let's get Teesta Setalwad. The point is simple, and I think that's the basic point of contention that everyone who is against this bill has. They say, how do you make an assumption that only the minority community is the victim and the majority community, is the oppressor and is the villain? It's a relevant question because there have been many examples when majority have been the victims. Yes, please, Teesta Setalwad.
Absolutely. Can I answer, please?
Go ahead.
Now, I just want to say that we need to look at the foundations and the fundamentals why we need such a radical law. Just like why we need the Lokayukta law, for instance, to end corruption, which never took place for 40 years. Our democracy, wonderful as it is and survived as it is, has shown serious fissures. One of the fissures and fault lines of the Indian democracy has been on the issue of communalism, whether we like it or not. Pre-partition, independence, post-partition. Now this bill, which seeks to become a law, seeks to recognize these fissures and correct them. Now the NAC draft with which I was associated, and I want to come upfront about it, defined the group that was affected as a minority group vis-a-vis a district of the country. So it could have been one minute, let me finish, Adna. A minority in Godhra or Malegaon would be a Hindu minority, or a minority in Kashmir would be a Kashmiri Pandit minority. It was willfully misunderstood. So I would like to just make a point today, because I think this law is too important to get into petty politicking, that this bill seeks to be introduced in Parliament. The UPA should have done this much earlier. Hopefully it will do it now. The fault lines are clearly drawn. Today the National Conference has welcomed it, the NCP has welcomed it, JDU has welcomed it. I think the TMC will also welcome this. It's going to a standing committee of Parliament, which will be headed by the opposition party, which at the moment is a BJP. BJP could come to power tomorrow.
No,
what is wrong with such a bill getting tabled and getting debated in the democratic process? Change the definition of the group if you want, but why are you against?
So you're saying, 1 minute. You as somebody who drafted the bill. As somebody who drafted the bill, you agree that the definition of group may have been flawed.
No, I'm not agreeing.
That the definition of group may have been flawed. You admit that.
Misunderstood. No, I'm trying to explain it. That if you look at the district of Malappuram in Kerala, which is Muslim majority, the minority there is Hindu. If you look at the district of Malegaon or Godhra, the minority is Hindu. If you look at the Jammu and Kashmir, the minority is Hindu. I think it has been willfully misunderstood by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad,
no,
the
no,
RSS
let's
and the BJP,
get third perspective.
that wanted to destroy this law.
No, let's get the other side. You must listen to the other side.
Why not get the bill tabled and debate it before a standing committee? We are not talking the Anna language.
No, we are. See,
we are not saying that let this law be passed without a debate.
You see, the only question is that
but
why does the bill
be against a law against communal violence?
No, one second. See, we are only on one point. Why does this bill presuppose?
No, we are not. You can't junk the law. You can't junk the law on the basis of a group definition.
Let's get the other side in. Let's get the other side in. You see, their problem is that this...
the other side in. That's why we're having a debate.
Yeah, that's what. You see, what happens is you're from Mumbai.
My point is that what about the accountability of public servants?
What's up? Let's not... No, don't divert. Don't divert from the subject at hand.
No, it's not divert.
Let's get another side in.
Sections of the bill.
1 second.
Why has JDU supported it today?
They may...
Why has NCP supported it? Why has Omar Farooq has said...
That doesn't matter.
Omar Farooq has said that a bill that ends communal violence is necessary.
That doesn't matter.
The Jammu and
Politicians
Kashmir
are not always right.
So Kashmiri Pandits
one second. Politicians are not always right.
But neither is the BJP always right.
No, neither are ruling party politicians always right. Neither is the BJP always right. I'm only saying this. Please don't get provoked by what I'm saying. As I give you as an example today. As I give you as an example today, I must hand over to Sudhindra Kulkarni. You see,
CPM has also supported.
One second. Please hear the other side. I'm going to give one example, and Teesta Setalvad don't respond. I'm giving this as an example, as a thought for our viewers before Sudhindra Kulkarni comes to debate. 4 of our speakers haven't spoken. You see, Radhabai Chaul riots. You're from Mumbai, Sudhindra Kulkarni, so is Teesta Setalvad. Mumbai riots 1993. The Radhabai Chaul incident on January 8th, right? In which 9 members of a Hindu family, one a handicapped girl, were set ablaze. That incident triggered another wave of riots in Mumbai. Now, in this case, the majority was the victim. And the argument is, in this particular case, the majority... 1 second.
No, can I say something?
You listen to the other side. I'm giving one example. I want Sudhindra Kulkarni to come in.
I'm correcting your facts. I'm correcting your facts because on the 5th of January, a family of Muslims was also burnt alive in a red Maruti car.
That's the problem. You see, you cannot divide. You can't divide people on. You can't divide people on those lines. Majority.
Well, you are the one who's doing it, Arnab. Well, you're the one who's doing it.
The definition of group is doing it. Excuse me. Excuse me. The definition of group is doing it.
No, it's not.
Okay, you may think it's not, but here's Sudhindra Kulkarni anyway. Sudhindra Kulkarni is responding now to Teesta Setalvad. Teesta, listen to him and then you can come.
No, I'm not responding to her.
You go ahead.
I'm participating in this very important discussion.
Go ahead.
Any communal riot in India is a crime against humanity. It's violation of God's law and law of the land. Whether the victim is a Hindu or a Muslim or any other community, it's shame on India, and we must go towards a future when India becomes riot-free. But communal violence bill, if you read it in its present form, this is a communal bill. It's not a communal violence bill, nor to prevent communal violence. It stigmatizes, it victimizes majority, condones minority.
Does it?
Of course. Let me give an example.
Isn't that the reality? That argument will be, is it not the reality?
No, but as you yourself, you gave the example of the Radhabai Chaul.
I give one example.
Now, the Radhabai Chaul example shows that under this bill, it's not a communal violence.
It's not. It does not invite the communal violence bill or the act. When it happens.
You see, every single incident of communal violence should be covered by the law. The law should be equal. It should provide equal protection to all. But let me give more examples. Godhra.
Okay.
The torching of the compartment, which unfortunately led to a bigger communal violence, that is not covered here. Similarly, if you read the definition, if you read the definition of the group, it excludes scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and minorities. Now, take the example of the communal violence between Bodos and Muslims in Assam. Bodos are a tribe. So, this violence is not covered under the communal violence. Shias and Sunnis, there is a long history of violence between these two sects of Muslims.
Yeah.
But this is not covered because
No,
it is meant to be
why give a
targeted violence.
Let's get
No. You know, there are many examples in India where there is violence between scheduled castes and Muslims, tribals and Muslims. It is not covered. Therefore, it gives a very distinct impression that this is an anti-majority bill. Whatever may be the intent.
And timing?
Of course, you know, the fact that it is coming just before the election, after all these, it is being introduced in Parliament now. What signal does it give?
What signal does it? Be direct, then we'll get Randeep Surjewala to respond.
See,
so will Kamal Farooqui.
It gives a signal that this is meant to send a signal to the minority community. You know, minority community requires as much protection as majority community. We should not make any distinction when it comes to communal violence between majority and minority. It is also a fact that in many riots, minorities are bigger victims.
No, they have.
But this is not the way to protect them.
You know, counters coming in, you know, one on timing. I want Randeep Surjewala to respond on timing, and then Kamal Farooqui on the point. Siddharth, I'll come to you at the end of it, and then we'll go to open debate with your permission. Randeep Surjewala first on the timing. Why are you timing this to 2014? Is this an attempt to say sorry to everybody who's accused the centre of not acting during the Muzaffarnagar riots? That's point number one. And why don't you just drop this whole definition of majority-minority from the idea of communal riots?
It will be dropped.
Pardon me?
It has been dropped.
You have not dropped the contentious group definition in the final draft.
That's what I'm trying to explain. 1 minute. Can I explain 1
Can
minute?
I?
No.
Can I
One second. I
answer
want
that,
Randeep
Arnab?
Regarding the
Randeep Surjewala. Randeep
The
Surjewala.
government is bringing its own bill.
No, one second. Randeep Surjewala.
And the government has changed the definition of group.
Arnab, can I?
Mr. Surjewala,
Or
one
no,
on
why
the
don't you have
timing.
one-on-one with Tista?
Arnab, can I? Only if you let me answer, then I can answer your question. Arnab, there are two things. Unfortunately, the perpetrators of genocide in Gujarat talk about timing. It makes it extremely fanciful. There is no timing for being right. There is no timing for upholding the constitutional values. And there is no timing for truth. It is a fact that it is part of 2009 election promise of the Congress
There
party.
you admit it.
We have, after elaborate discussion, decided there it has been discussed elaborately with all stakeholders, and we propose to bring it now. One thing that everybody is digressing from, it is not a communal violence bill to protect minorities alone. Please see its title again. To all my friends on this debate and your viewers, I want to say, it is against targeted violence of scheduled castes. It is a bill to protect targeted violence of scheduled tribes,
Sir,
targeted violence of linguistic minorities and of minorities. So, sir, when we look at the bill only from the myopic prism of current day politics, for heaven's sake, I want to tell my friends like Mr. Sudhir Kulkarni, rise above your phobia of minority versus majority, and let's look at India as a nation and
Sir, it's
do
all
a
well
bounden
said.
duty under the Constitution.
So why don't you just say violence? Why does this act have to say, you know, every act in this bill is against a group which by definition, implication is against a member of the majority, is against a member of the majority community, against the minority community? Why are you making that assumption? Kamal Farooqui, that's a fact. Group means religious or linguistic minority. In any state or union of India or scheduled
Can I
caste or
answer
scheduled
that,
tribes.
Arnab?
No,
Let's get scheduled caste and scheduled tribes.
1 minute. Or scheduled caste and scheduled tribe within the meaning of clauses 24, 25 or article 366 of the Constitution of India. So Kamal Farooqui, you know, Sudhindra Kulkarni in his opening remarks gave the example of Godhra. He gave the example of Godhra. Would that not invite the attention as per this definition of the Communal Violence Act? Please just answer that.
No, Arnab, let me please tell you 2-3 things very quickly, in fact. Number one, communal violence has been the disease of our country since independence. And thousands and thousands have been people have been butchered. Unfortunately, So most of the people who have been killed, it has been given the census also. Look at the figures we have recently got. Most of them, the minorities have suffered because they are on the weaker side. They don't have a proper representation in the police department. They have got the bias. All those kind of things are there. So to cover up all those kind of things, there has to be a bill and enactment wherein 2-3 things have to be done. One, the command responsibility. The person who is responsible to administer the particular area, he is responsible not only during the riots, but before that, the kind of literature, the kind of CDs, the kind of all those things are being spreading. It is his responsibility to look into the whole thing, and he should be made responsible, because I've seen in Muzaffarnagar that the very conveniently have said that the political bosses have done it. If this bill is coming over there, whosoever is in the government, they will not be in a position to do anything with the law enforcing agency. They will be responsible because they'll the command. Number one. Number two is.
So what about equality before the law?
That this bill is wide.
What about equality before the law?
Equality before law is there. Sir, equality before law is there. Yes, you are absolutely right. Equality before law is there, and that's the reason we have been saying. TISA is also saying that even for this group, we have already said in so many words that the victims should be the person. In fact, whosoever is the victim.
So, but how do you presume a victim is only from a minority community?
Cover all those kind of. Who is saying it? Who is saying it? Minority community.
Sir, this definition of this bill.
When we are saying scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, you tell me, is there any member in the minority community of the scheduled caste?
Sir, I am asking you religious or linguistic minority. That's the definition of the group. Sir,
yes, even that is also there.
Kamal Farooqi.
Religious, linguistic, scheduled caste. All those people are covered over there.
Sir, this country.
If at all,
and scheduled tribe.
Sir, this country.
Violence,
no, 1 minute.
We should come on the trend.
One minute. 1 minute. Mr. Surjewala, please let's be very fair here. For example, today, Teesta Setalwad said Malappuram, right? She said Malappuram. Now, Malappuram, as you know, is the one part of the country. 1 minute, let me complete.
I said Kashmir.
I am saying in Malappuram, Teesta Setalwad, except the fact your child marriages can be registered here today, because it was the electoral promise of the Indian Union Muslim League before the election.
Don't bully me, yeah. I'm saying in Malappuram, if there's violence and the minority is Hindu, why don't you let somebody explain their position?
Teesta Setalwad, please, let's not. Miss Setalwad, see, I'm not. Miss Setalwad, I'm not raising my voice, but you must explain one thing. Miss Setalwad, I am giving the example of something else which happens in Malappuram, which you are probably not aware of.
Malappuram, the Hindu becomes the minority.
Please understand, Miss Setalwad, in this country, Article 14. Miss Setalwad, please, let's get Siddharth also in, then we open up. Article 14 gives me equality before the law. Article 15(1) says the state will not discriminate against any citizen only on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth. Should we tear up Article 14 and 15(1) now?
Don't mix up issues, Arnav.
But that is the basic issue. This country, the constitution of this country gives me equality before the law.
I think
Siddharth Nath Singh. Siddharth Singh is
I thought the question was directed at me.
Arnab,
Siddharth Singh and then open debate. Siddharth Singh.
I thought you were asking me the question, so let me answer that
let's
question.
get Siddharth in, and after that coming to you.
And
Randeep.
Okay.
Arnab, let me highlight the contradiction and expose the contradiction of the Congress party. They have taken the excuse of Muzaffarnagar and said therefore it becomes all the more important to bring in the December winter session. Now let me, if you look at the law, if it is enacted and you look at what happened in Muzaffarnagar, I'll just take 2 minutes. The governor sends a report to the center, to the Home Ministry, and says the law and order is out of control of the state government.
Yeah.
Your channel does a sting and brings out that there is a cabinet minister who's been involved. The government here it is very keen to bring a communal violence bill, but doesn't act on the Muzaffarnagar and says that on federalism, it's a federal issue, the law and order is with the state, we will not interfere. Now, if you look at this bill again, and if this is enacted, this bill creates an authority which can overrule the center and the state and can send direct advisories to the state government.
That's not
And take the help
not
of the
true.
investigative agencies, go into their houses,
I think Mr.
and
Siddharth-
all those
I
things
think
they
Mr.
can
Siddharth,
do.
you are not
So
put- you are
the
not putting
government
the-
contradiction is enough
Mr. Siddharth,
to
you are
show.
not putting the record
Paranoid.
straight.
1 second. Counter coming in. Kamal Farooqui first.
And
Kamal
Mr.
Farooqui.
Siddharth-
One at a time. Kamal Farooqui to Siddharth Nath Singh.
No,
They're going to
no, I'm not finished
Kamal
yet.
Farooqui first.
Arnab, I have not finished here.
Okay, Kamal
I have not
Farooqui,
finished.
just let him
me
complete.
let me remind those who are in the panel. Kashmir is not included under a clause. They have been saying that Kashmir. Let them
Mr.
read.
Siddharth does
Kashmir
not
under a
know
clause
that-
is not
that the
included.
Chief
Then you
Minister
have to
of
take a
Kashmir
permission
has
with the
already
state
said
government.
that he
Why not
favors
the
the
same
bill.
provision
One
is
at a
there with
time.
the state government?
Adopt it.
One
What
at a
kind
time.
of a silly argument is he trying to raise without appropriate knowledge of the Constitution?
Okay, Randeep has started,
Arnab,
sir.
I want to make two quick points.
Okay,
Number one.
first of all, I just
Number
make one
one,
request.
Mr.
One
Ranjit
should
Surjewala, the silly arguments have been drafted by NAC, which is headed by Sonia Gandhi.
Mr. What?
Where
what
you
Mr.
have started
Siddharth
dividing
does
the
not
nation
know
further on a majority and a minority basis. So please go back to Sonia Gandhi and ask her why her NAC has drafted a silly draft.
Jammu and Kashmir and then consequently accept it.
So
I
just
do not know
allow
what kind of
Mr.
a- what kind
Surjewala
of an
have the
argument out of the hat
constitution
is
basic
being-
fundamental
I
in
have the
yourself.
patience, Siddharth,
If you are
of
going to
hearing
give
you,
it to
please
Jammu
have
and
the
Kashmir,
patience
so
of
do give
hearing-
it to other
hearing
states.
The other party. The whole.
No, you
the
should
whole
give it to the other
difficulty
states
out of it,
also. The right to be
that
debated in
Bharatiya
the state
Janata Party
assembly,
has
which you are
nothing
not
to
giving.
say, and consequently, all that they know is how to outshout others. But in this case, the people of this country are watching. What is the bottom line question, Arnab, that
No,
you
I'm
have
sorry,
raised on
Mr.
your channel
Surjewala,
today?
you have
And the
nothing
bottom
to
line
show
question is
before
only this.
2014,
And the question is
anything
this:
on
is
development
communal
front or
violence
anything on
bill
the economic
important
front. So
or
you
not
have come up with this
important
poll
for
gimmick.
ensuring
That is your
that
problem,
the-
Mr.
that the
Surjewala.
probability
Mr.
is
Surjewala, you are
the
nothing to give in the Haryana also because you have a Damat gate there.
1 second, please, gentlemen. One at a time, please. I make one sincere request. Yes, Tista, I see that. I just make one sincere request. I'm
Well,
making
if Mr. Surjewala speaks when I'm speaking, I'll be shouting him down.
I request you, Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, I request you. I just need your indulgence of the entire panel. I need everyone to speak one at a time. I assure you, Mr. Surjewala, I know you came in very aggressively and you countered Siddharth Nath Singh. I must give some others their equal turn. I am only raising this point, and trust me tonight, I'm raising the point because this question will be asked.
You told me, you came to me.
I came to
You
you.
came to me, at least give me the opportunity to speak.
I came to you, but please just answer one question.
Siddharth Nath Singh just
Okay,
got
go ahead.
angry, lost his cool.
Randeep Surjewala, and after that I'm coming to the others. I'm going to...
No, I didn't get angry, Mr. Surjit.
Now, please,
I
now,
didn't get
please.
angry.
Now
I
what-
didn't get angry. But if it is the silly thing has happened from the NAC, headed by Sonia
No,
Gandhi.
but
Please.
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, 1 minute. You must also remember, Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, there have been amendments made to the draft bill.
You are good in diverting the whole discussion. Mr. Siddharth saying you are good in diverting the discussion.
The
You
entire
are good in
draft
diverting
is
the
being
discussion.
reworked by the
Arnab, we
government.
are-
But
Thank
Mr.
you.
Siddharth Nath
Thank you.
Singh
All that
gives
Mr.
the
Farooqi
draft
for giving me-
One at a time.
Digress the debate.
That's what the BJP does. It
Please
simply
don't-
bullies and shouts.
1 second. May I just get everyone's attention for a minute? Please.
This is all the papers I've been reading and your draft.
Okay, 1 minute, but there are lots of things in these papers which have also been
Wait
deleted.
for the draft to come to Parliament first.
Once. The question is only this. Everyone on the panel, I want them
So
to
why
focus.
debate then?
The question is only, do you divide this country on majority, minority, dominant group, non-dominant group? If there are 10 rioters in a situation from one side and 4 on the other, does this mean that the 10 rioters on one side will come under the communal violence bill and the 4 rioters on the other will only face the Indian Penal Code? That's my limited point tonight. Randeep Surjewala's rebut, and then I'm coming to Sudhindra Kulkarni back. Yes, please. Kamal Farooqi, just coming
Can
back
I
to you.
say
Randeep
something,
Surjewala. Answer that.
And I have two
We have
very
time.
short points I want to make. The
Yeah.
whole edifice of this discussion is whether or not we should have communal violence bill targeted against scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, linguistic and other minorities of the nature we have, or does it violate the basic edifice of the Constitution? My humble submission is, a bill has been drafted. That bill would be tabled in Parliament. Tista has already made that point. I only want to re-emphasize it by saying, if there are any flaws, then it will go to a standing committee. Leaders of opposition would be there. it can be deliberated more thoroughly there. But nobody can say that there should be no communal violence bill targeted against scheduled castes, tribes and linguistic minorities of this country. The Bharatiya Janata Party, in their quest to muddy political waters, to muzzle voices, and to ensure that everything gets divided into majority versus minority.
But you've done it.
Is trying to sully the whole debate before even the debate has
Sudhindra
started.
Kulkarni is rebutting you. 1 minute. No, not Siddharth Singh. It's Sudhindra Kulkarni's turn. Sudhindra Kulkarni's turn.
In the parliament. This is not the forum for parliament, and it will be deliberated.
Sudhindra Kulkarni's turn. After that, Tista Setalvad.
Mr. Kulkarni's party,
Mr. Kulkarni is rebutting you. Allow Mr. Kulkarni in. Yes, go ahead. Mr. Kulkarni, then Kamal Farooqi.
You know, if you remove the term religious minority,
1 minute.
if you remove the term religious minority from this bill,
yes,
then the whole nature of this bill changes completely. Now, this bill in its present form, you know, we don't know in what form it's going to be presented before Parliament, but let's go by what we have. It has so many absurdities and anomalies. Let me give one more example. What if there is targeted violence between a minority group and a minority group? Kerala was mentioned. Let me give an example. You know, a few years ago...
Example, yes. Okay, Kamal Farooqui will respond to this.
Example of a Christian professor whose hand was chopped by a radical Muslim group. Now, is this not targeted violence?
Kamal Farooqui.
Similarly, you know, SIMI, Students Islamic Movement of India, SIMI is a banned organization.
Right.
It's a banned organization because it is a communal organization. It's banned by the UPA government itself.
Yeah.
But under this, under the definition and the provisions of this bill, it would not be regarded as a communal organization.
Yeah.
Even if it conducts communal propaganda and communal violence. You know, we must condemn both majority communal organizations, minority communal organizations.
You are just misleading people on this channel by saying such things. It's completely incorrect, false, malicious and misleading, sir, with due regards to you.
Yeah. I insist I want to say something.
Tista, yes, go ahead. Then Sudhindra Kulkarni.
You have spent, Arnab, and I'm making an allegation against you. You have spent a good part of this very important discussion only talking about one aspect of the bill. A substantive part of this proposed law deals with accountability of public servants. Now, senior police officers, Hindus, I hate using this distinction, have said that communal violence can stop in 24 hours if the state wants it to stop. But yet you find time and again that violence against sections of the population does not stop. Now this bill seeks to bring accountability and culpability for public servants. Now in Muzaffarnagar what we saw, and I'm no by means saying that Muslims are not capable of communal violence or Christians are not capable of communal violence. They very much are. But the very nature of majority and minority is that the administration starts behaving in a majoritarian way. And we have seen that. We have seen that in Bombay 92-93. We have seen that in Gujarat. We have seen that in Tellicherry.
So what your argument is the bias of the state? Your argument is the bias of the state. The Indian state is biased.
BJP MLAs.
Her argument will make Azam Khan go free. That is the argument she is giving.
Kamal Farooqui, please, 1 minute.
You cannot.
Kamal Farooqui, please. Kamal Farooqui.
Why don't you argue about this part of the law?
Kamal Farooqui.
Asking for accountability and the rule of law from
1 minute.
servants.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Before you come in, Kamal Farooqui, 1 minute.
We have a colonial law. We have a colonial law, section 197 of the CRC.
I put that.
Does not allow an
I put your argument
to prosecute public servants.
1 second. I put Siddharth, 1 minute. Please hold on.
Do away with sanctions.
1 second. I put your argument. I put your argument. Tista, 1 minute. Let's not make it a one-way debate. I put Tista Setalvad's argument and I apply it in the context of Uttar Pradesh. And the only question I have to Kamal Farooqui is: was the Uttar Pradesh government blind? Was it basically prejudiced? Was it biased against its own people? Is that why the Muzaffarnagar riots happened? Kamal Farooqui, accept that then. Kamal Farooqui, please. Kamal Farooqui to answer that.
Why Muzaffarnagar is being asked again and again?
Why not? It's most recent.
Minister himself said that yes. But allow me to answer. You put the question and then answer yourself.
But
allow me to answer.
Basically,
there are three. Basically, Basically, there are 3-4 issues which should be understood very clearly. Why communal violence bill has been brought in. In fact, it was the aftermath of 2002 how it has happened. You know what I mean? Then, so the whole thing was a commitment by the Congress, and then later on that they will bring up a bill which will have an impact to curtail the communal violence. They brought it in 2005. This was absolutely rejected by everybody. It went to the standing committee and it was rejected. Then again they came out with something in 2009. They brought in 59 amendments into it, but the basic core issues was not discussed. The issue of the responsibility, accountability, as I said, the pre-communal violence scenario, during communal violence and after one, and the rehabilitation, all those things, they were not put in properly. Then NSA brought in, the NSA did not draft a bill, rather they gave the clause by clause suggestion as to what is to be done. But we have never been saying it in NSE that this is the final word. We have been saying it, ultimately it is the prerogative of the parliament to discuss all those kind of things.
All I'm saying.
And we are saying it. We are saying it. Please let me complete. Please let me complete.
Okay, let complete.
The basic, 2-3 issues are there. So please let me complete.
But deliberately the discussion is being derailed because the BJP does not want any law for accountability.
Yes.
The BJP, RSS and BSP are 70% responsible for communal violence in this country. So how will they want a law against?
Basically, stop your ad nauseum rhetoric. It has no value left. You have done enough of propaganda in Gujarat and you have failed and even by giving false affidavit. So please stop it.
Arnab, basically, the argument that the Bharatiya Janata Party
May I please, yeah, 1 minute. May I please request one at a time. You see,
Surjewala, you explain the timing of it.
I'm not allowed to complete my
You explain why didn't you call all party meeting?
Thank you, Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, for anchoring the debate. Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, Mr. Siddharth, 1 minute, I'm addressing Siddharth Nath Singh.
Clocks. They do not
Setalwad.
want this communal violence bill to come in. The Bharatiya Janata Party's sole agenda is to divide this country on communal lines, and that is the basic perception that they are trying to
You are creating this society into majority and minority and accusing us?
There is one question, please, 1 minute, please.
Shame, Mr. Surjewala, that the Congress is dividing this society on majority and minority and then telling us we are communal.
Cannot be
You don't take an action on Muzaffarnagar because of the vote bank politics and you call us communal. You allocate the budget, union budget to the minorities and you call us communal. Have some shame while accusing us.
They forget that this country belongs to everybody. It belongs to a Muslim. It belongs to a Hindu. It belongs to a party.
This is exactly what we are saying. If you want the Muzaffarnagar riots to be taken to the court, you will have one law for the majorities under the communal violence and for the minorities you will be doing under CRPC.
Now, gentlemen, may I please allow you...
They do not want any such bill to come in.
Radip Surjewala and Siddharth Singh, I request you to please, 1 minute, calm down, please. I have one question. Just 1 minute, please. Let's hear the other side. Please allow me. And this question, Ved Pratap Vaidik has been listening. One question I have. That this week, this Ministry of Home Affairs statistics were released. Instances of communal violence. And they said this year at the NIC meeting, 66 persons of minority community and 41 belonging to majority community have been killed in communal clashes between January and September 15th this year. The one elementary question we are asking here is this, that the 66 people who, or everybody who was involved in the acts of killing 66 people of the minority community will come therefore under the Communal Violence Act, and everybody involved in killing of the 41 members of the majority community will come under the Indian Penal Code. Then either you have the same law for everyone or you don't have, because whether you kill 1 or 2, whether it's 1 person involved or 10 persons involved, all those involved in incidents of communal violence need the same brutal treatment from the Indian state. I'm getting Ved Pratap Vaidik in. Ved Pratap Vaidik. The question is of parity.
It changes the standing committee. Why are you opposing the law?
1 minute.
I believe
parity.
Arnab, can you
believe
make Teesta not to speak?
if
One
it is-
second.
Out of turn.
1 minute, 1 minute. She's not speaking. I'm getting Mr. Vedic to respond. Yes.
I believe if it is a law, it has to be equal. It has to be universal. It should not distinguish between majority or minority, between you and me. Violence is violence, whether it is committed by minority or by majority, and by using such words group, it's a camouflage. You know, I went through the entire text of 55 pages, and I find the intention is quite good. You have to protect weaker sections of the society. But this is not the way. You know, the infirmities, legal, moral, political, and numerical, are so many in this law that I feel even if the parliament passes it, the Supreme Court will strike it out.
Okay,
It
what
will be
counter?
struck down by the Supreme Court.
Counter question which Sudhindra
Because,
Kulkarni
you know-
must answer. The counter which Sudhindra Kulkarni must answer is that you say you have a problem with some people being compartmentalized and being dealt with separately. Then why don't you have a problem, Sudhindra Kulkarni, with a law like the Prevention of Atrocities Against Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes? Because that law seeks to protect
I was
SCs
about
and
to ask
STs.
this question.
No. That law seeks to protect SCs and
I was
STs.
about to ask this question.
So that's you agree with that, Kamal Farooqui? Do you think Sudhindra Kulkarni needs to answer that tonight? Let's get him to answer that.
Yes, definitely, he should answer.
So
Certainly.
go ahead.
You know, in India, the violence and atrocities committed against scheduled castes,
Yes.
Dalits, is unfortunately, you know, one of the abominable features of Hindu society. And therefore, to protect this weaker section, the law has been brought
No, but
in.
we're not talking only
when
about
it
Hindu
comes to-
society.
No,
Society is society.
but
The whole country is a
Yes,
society.
Scheduled caste.
Law can't deal with Hindu
but
society.
Scheduled caste, you mentioned scheduled caste.
Yes, I dealt with scheduled
caste is a part of the Hindu community.
No, but
let's accept this.
when
but when it comes to communal violence, to think that a particular community is always a victim and another community is always a culprit, a villain.
No, but doesn't the same assumption being made in the case of SCs and STs?
No, but
why don't you oppose that?
SCs and STs, you know, bringing SCs and STs against in the rubric of the communal
No, I'm
violence
asking
bill.
you, when you can protect SCs and STs playing
No, but
devil's
why
advocate,
do you
why can't
think-
you protect
no,
religious and linguistic minorities?
But why do you think only religious minorities need protection?
The same logic is the same logic being used in the case of
that's
SCs
why
and
I'm
STs.
saying that, you know, we must make a distinction
Every victim
between
needs a
caste
protection.
violence
Every
that is
victim needs
perpetrated
protection.
against scheduled castes
Is
and
religious-
communal violence, religious violence between majority, minority. You know, the dynamic and the history.
No, but you can ask why is there no assumption that SCs and STs cannot be perpetrators of violence? Are we
No, it
making
is
the
not
simple?
so.
No,
You
they
know, if
cannot
you-
be.
if you
Are you
see-
saying
if
they
you
cannot
see-
be?
If you see the dynamic of caste violence, you don't see scheduled caste.
You see, that's the argument that Teesta and Kamal Farooqui and Randeep Surjewala is saying. They are saying the dynamic.
The example that you gave of Radhabai Chaul.
That's one
very
example.
Clear, there are many such examples. You know,
What if-
there are many examples where the
Radhabai Chaul was
groups
a wrong
of the
example.
minority
Even
community
Radhabai Chaul was
are the
a wrong
perpetrators
example.
of violence.
One minute,
Mr.
1 minute.
what
I'm
Mr.
allowing a
Kulkarni
counter.
completely
Randeep
forgets.
Surjewala.
What Mr. Kulkarni completely forgets that this bill also takes care of targeted violences of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, linguistic minorities and other minorities. But he selectively picks up only one particular section of it because that reflects a mindset in this country, Arnab, that we have to look at everything from the prism of a particular minority community from amongst the minority communities also to muddy the entire political discourse. But that is not the intent of the bill. The intent of the bill
Is the
to
intent of
protect
introducing the bill
all
political?
these sections.
Isn't the intent of introducing the bill right now political?
The intent of the bill, yes,
Not
the
at
intent
all.
is social.
Then why was this?
Arnab.
Why was
is social?
if the intent is social? Why didn't you do it in
political
2010?
In order to ensure
It was your election
reason
promise
is
in
that
2009.
we have brought two versions of the bill already. The bill has been deliberated in public domain.
Siddharth,
as many as
it's not been dealt with. The
5
controversy
amendments
still
have been
remains.
brought to the
Siddharth.
bill. The bill has the bill still is yet
Siddharth.
to come. The bill will come and will be deliberated again. Will go to a
Arnab,
standing committee.
the
All the
timing-
organizations, including the Bharatiya Janata
They-
Party, Arnab, will have a say. But why are we shying away? Why are we hiding? Why are we scared of bringing the communal
Siddharth.
violence
No,
bill, which will protect all these sections?
Ranjit, nobody is against a communal harmony to be maintained in the country, and
Randeep,
for
and we are
that,
friends.
if there is a proper bill which is introduced and does not divide a country on the basis of majority and minority, which you have tried to
Last
do,
word to Tista.
things would be much better.
Last
Then
word
there
to
are many
Tista, the
sections-
courts-
There are many sections which
This
can
is-
be debated,
this is-
and we
this
have
is
already
not going
given.
to be upheld
But
by the
the problem
courts.
is you have introduced this to get vote bank politics. Your problem is that you are driving your entire
Absolutely
election
correct, sir.
campaign not on the basis
Tista
of what you
Setalwad,
have done in
No, but
UPA too,
Siddharth,
but you are driving your entire argument on the basis of how to leave a minority community
Leave the
for
time.
vote bank
Morally
politics, and
important,
therefore you remain a
socially
suspect.
relevant and politically correct.
Leave the timing aside. It will not stand scrutiny in the courts. Last word in 20 seconds to Tista Setalwad.
Politically
I'm wrapping
correct
this up.
because you are looking
Tista
at vote bank
Setalwad.
politics, and morally wrong because you are dividing the
Then fight
nation
it
on
politically.
Hindu and Muslim,
Morally, it is
and socially
morally
again wrong because you are
correct
dividing
and
the social
politically
fabric of the nation.
appropriate.
Tista Setalwad.
You
Others
can't,
down, please.
sir,
Yeah.
outshout
I think
Tista.
BJP,
I have already answered.
are today politically isolated. Every other political force will support this bill. CPI,
Let's see.
CPM,
Please
NCP,
don't commit when you
NC,
submit wrong affidavits in
JDU
the
all
court.
support the
You have
bill.
no basis,
I
no
believe it should
credibility
have come in earlier. I think the definition of group will undergo a change, but it's a recognition.
That's the point.
It's a
If the definition
recognition
of
that
group-
violence in this correct.
if-
No, 1 second, Arnav. It's a recognition that communal violence is a shame and a tragedy, and we need
Nobody
a law
disagrees
to
with
protect
that.
the victims of communal violence.
I think nobody disagrees with that.
And to take away sections like the sanction under 197 that precludes you and me from prosecuting the likes of Togadia
Point taken.
and ask for hate speech.
Point taken.
me to say
Sudhinder Kulkarni, last word before.
Arnab, in
Allow
what
me-
shape it will come before Parliament, we don't know. But in its present form, unfortunately, it only will lead to greater polarization
I think-
and greater resentment between majority and minority.
The nature of the
Very, very ill-conceived.
The nature of the debate on the News Hour tonight just tells us one thing. There is a great need. There is a great need to have a stronger debate and have that debate before this matter is taken forward. Whether or not it is about the definition of a group, I don't know. But I'm sure there will be a more elaborate debate on this, and we'll call the panelists back. I'd like to know your views on this, on the communal violence bill. Do you think it's time politically? Tell me what you think on our News Hour Twitter